I'm getting my Mickey loot package. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. I was so excited about my Mickey loot box, I didn't even notice you were there. It's Michelle True here. Why don't you come on in and check it out? Let's check it out. Well, it has the Hollywood Tower of Terror on the front, and it says, Michelle Rivera, we are so happy to share this Hollywood Studios box with you. Have a magical day, Mickey Loot. I really love that they personalize the boxes. It does really make you feel good when you get the box, so that's awesome. Here's the Mickey Loot sticker, and of course, it's beautifully wrapped, as always. Okay. I wonder where they get these. They have like little confetti inside. So cute. Should keep all of them. All right. Let's go with this one. It's heavy. It looks like a mug, and if you remember my last video, or if you've seen my last video, sorry, then you would know that I love mugs. We love to collect mugs. I'm gonna have to fast forward this. This is like taped together. Ooh. This is awesome. So this is from the Rock and Roll roller coaster. If you see in the front, we have Mickey Mouse with, looks like angel wings. And there's a guitar and a mic, and it says laying down some tracks. I love this handle right here. This is so cool. And on the back it says, long live rock and roll. Rock and roller coaster. So I went to Disney World, I think it was 2 years ago, with my family in April. And we're actually planning on going again this April. And that roller coaster was great. And I am super sad because I think it's closed right now indefinitely. But I'm glad I got to experience that one because it was awesome. So this mug is, I love it. I love it. All right. Next one. Ooh. This, if this is what I think it is, oh my God. Wow. So this is the booster pin set from the Droid Depot at Galaxy's Edge. I collect pins, and I was just telling my husband that I want to make a pin board because right now they're all in a pin trading bag, and I want to make a pin board, and this is perfect. Like, we love Star Wars too, so we love Galaxy's Edge, and we did make a droid at the Droid Depot, which is behind me. I don't know if you can see it, but another great item in the Mickey Loot box. Let's see. Oh my God. These are hats. They're basically the little light up cubes that you can put in the drinks, and I love them. Whenever I see like any type of beverage with these things, like these light up cubes, I always have to purchase one because I like to collect them. And there's 4 in here. That is so awesome. You can see here there's 4 little hats. They're so cute. Let's take this one out. I think this is also a pin. Oh my God, it is. It's a pin. It's a pin. Oh, wow. So this is a Hollywood Tower Hotel pin with Mickey and Minnie on it. So we live in California, and we were Disneyland annual pass holders, and when they changed the Hollywood Tower of Terror to the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, we missed it, and we still miss it, and we're glad that it's still in Florida so that when we do visit, we can go on that ride. But this is great. This is a great addition to my collection. All right, so this is a bag. Ooh. This next item, ooh. It's a rock and roller coaster bag. Isn't that cute? This is awesome. Oh my God, this is so cool. I never expected to actually get something like this. This is great. And it has a little pick. It has the zipper. Wow. That is so cool. Isn't that awesome? And then of course we have the Hollywood Studios bag. I love these bags. I know I mentioned it before, but we like to collect these. We use them for grocery shopping, for anything. Like whenever we need a bag, we use these because they're great. Now I'll grab this little sheet. So we have the Hollywood Tower Hotel Minnie and Mickey with phonograph pin, and that was $12.99. We have the Droid Depot booster pin set of 5, and that was $32.99. We have the Rock and Roller Coaster bag, which was $29.95. The Rock and Roller Coaster mug was $22.99. The Hollywood Brown Derby hat light up cubes. We're gonna have to show those like in a beverage lit up. Those are $14 for 4. And then of course the Hollywood Studios tote for $1. So this box, it retailed at $113.92. Definitely worth it. I give Mickey Loot a thumbs up. It's awesome. I love them. They're great, great customer service, great boxes. They're perfect. So that's it for today's show. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, here's to your fairy wishes and Disney dreams. Bye.